Hello YouTube, and today we're back here, and if you don't recognise it, this is the one where it was the worst job ever. Where I run a new water main from about where that orange bag is there across and then up in this corner. So we're back here. As you can see, the walls have been built and the plaster's just going off in spots. But we've been called back to first fix the kitchen sink, but also they noticed this. The water main that had been put back in was protruding. I've taken the part out, but it was protruding past the access hatch. So I've taken this elbow off down here. Going to remake this. Going to make it about 15mm shorter, and then the elbow will just slide underneath the access hatch just in here for the soil pipe, which will mean it will sit inside the cupboard like so. So that's the first job that we're doing. And after that, we're then going to first fix the kitchen. We have got some lights. Can we turn them on? We can. Going to first fix the kitchen sink. So we're just going to bring our hot and colds across and up. We've got a combi going here, so we've just got to get them behind so the kitchen fitters can get on tomorrow, putting the units in and whatnot. The waste will be done afterwards once the units are in. Don't want to make it too hard for them, as it just goes outside and into a gully. So it just comes through the wall and we've got to get to this gully, and we've also got an outside tap at some point, so that's not a problem. So for now, let's go fix this water main. So what we've done here, we've made a new piece up. Obviously this piece is a bit shorter. We've pre-crimped these, or tightened these nuts on. So all we've got to do is wind that on and give that a little nip up. And then obviously the nut and olive on this pipe was already there, so just got to tighten that up. So let's go put that in place. And yeah, all should be good. Oh, we've just buttoned that. So that's all done in there from the lever valve up. See the new nut. So the problem was obviously this stick past, but obviously they can push this back. I might just stick a clip just here, just to push it back a little bit. So yeah, it just falls inside there, but they'll be able to push the cover on and it will sit back. So that's done. Water's back on. Now time to do the first fix on this kitchen sink. So what I'm thinking is get the benders and put 2 bends here, and then do them just hot, cold, coming out. We're going to do the waste after, we're going to do the outside tap after, just let him build his units, and then we can do the rest after. This wall is a build up of 100mm Celotex on here. That's crazy. So yeah, well insulated now, but yeah, that's what I had to do to build up to regs. It's an old cottage with a shared water main, so that's why we've had to do a new water main. So yeah, let's get on with it. Right, because we're going through, we've got to get some clips on this wall along here for these hot and colds, and because it's 100mm Celotex behind it, and the only thing that will reach these 120mm screws, I think they are. They're a 6mm head, so they're quite big, but I haven't got a drill bit long enough to go in. So we're going in with some, what I call twirly bobs, pigtails, plasterboard fixings, whatever you call. But I normally have a problem with these, and that is, that say I want it here, just for instance. So you put it in, and then when you go to put the screw in, these Fisher ones always seem to spin the pigtail. Let's have a look, see if it does it. Maybe not. Maybe I'm lying. Maybe it's a different box that I used. Oh no, it's the JSPs. I think they're called JSPs. They're in a blue box. That's the ones. I had nothing but ag with them. They were too tight. Yeah. that's fine. Okay. Tell a lie. It wasn't these Fisher ones. Me slagging off the Fisher, but no. The JSP, the blue box, do not buy them. You get them normally like your plumber's merchant or a handyman store. They are absolutely shocking. Do not waste your money. So I'm going to say it's one for the Fisher, but we shall see. If I find myself my pencil. Here it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to put. So that's the height. I want them roughly to come out. It's about 400 off the floor. It's just a standard monoblock kitchen sink tap that's going in, and then we've just got to put a T off for a washing machine, but we can always put a T and come down. So we've got enough height from the base of the thing to put a T and come down, but also enough for the flexies and whatnot on the tap. So we are just going to go along this line with my trusty forged steel level. Just put a line across here. So we're going to put probably a clip, probably here, and then a bit further along, probably just about here before it bends up for the washing machine. Somewhere here and here. 2 clips along here. So we need it roughly there. We'll go a bit higher. We use that as our centre point for our clips. So let's go one there. Make sure it's flush. One here. Make sure it's flush. Let's get ourselves some clips. These are the 35mm screw ones. So they go through just enough to bite on. They do sit past the curve of the clips, so hopefully the pipe should sit in there nicely. So let's go high. Let's go. I like my clips to be facing down. Don't know why. Something I've done. Okay, seems pretty good. It's pretty solid to me. And then from there, we're just gonna line that up. Sting in there, just to get our mark. Spin it out. Get yourself another little twirly bob. And there, spin it back. Get your screw. Back in there. There you go, that's a nice solid fixing. So get another one of them, screws, clips. So we went down, so we're going to put a screw in the bottom fixing. Tight, line it up straight. Screw on the top one. Undo it, spin it out of the way. Then get it picked out. I mean, this is just how I do it. Everyone does their stuff differently. There's 100. There's 100 ways to do one job normally, so put that in. Lovely. Yeah, they're all in. So let's bend our pipe. So we're going to come across here and bend them up and put 2 soldered fittings here. So let's do that.
As you can hear in the background, the plasterer did then turn up. But this is the finished article, hot and cold down the wall and out, ready for the kitchen sink to be installed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.